Welcome back to another video.
Hi guys, it's Tatenda Musembri. I have 30,000.
First of all, my last name is not on. So,
Tatenda M.
first of all, it's just Tatenda.
Tatenda. Get it right.
Clearly, you don't watch.
What is this? Because I can't hear you. Mickey Mouse. You do that way. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. You're in my house. I'm sitting right next to Minnie Mouse. Hey! You already know. If you know, you know. Hey, hey. Hey, hey.
Get back,
Pastor Michael.
Got on the track when I got that heat. Yeah, man. Shout out to Pastor Michael. Tryna get me to the top. Kinda like the iPhone.
Salsa.
You know, we always talking. Shout out to sponsor Red Rock.
Oh, the vegetarian. The vegetarian. What is that?
There's meat on here. Excuse me.
No. We're here.
What's consequence number one for the boys? A clean shaved head in your sleep. Set! Give me consequence for the girls. No makeup, sir. Give me consequence 3 for the girls. We'll remove your wig, sir.
Not because we are prostitutes, but one incident. Why? Because I told you how. Show me how you love me. In Africa, it's good. We pay lobola. We don't pay lobola for you to come and cook for me. We cook for ourselves.
Yes.
I am a brother right now. I iron my own clothes.
Amen.
Yes.
I put my own clothes in the washer. I do everything on my own. I don't marry you for your face. I have a sister face in my house. I marry you for over here. Victoria! 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 Victoria!
And the enemy said, kill them. You know, this is the same problem that we have even in our ministry. That's why you see that when you begin to rise up, there are some people that don't like it when you rise up. There are some people that don't like it when God begins to use you. When God begins to anoint you, they will figure out ways to kill you. They don't like the way you sing. They don't like the way you preach. They don't like the way you are in the present worship. But when you are seated in the pews, nobody minds about you. But when you multiply, I said, if you don't want enemies in the church, be quiet. Come in the church and just sit and read your Bible and go back home. But if you want enemies in the church, multiply. Multiply.
I knew there was something bigger, something better for each and one of us. I want to encourage you all here today that whatever you are going through, know that the Lord can get you through it.
So I want to say to us, when we are worshiping this God, we need to make up our minds. We need to make up our decisions to say we are going to be different. We are not going to be like the world. We are not going to be conformed. We are going to transform the world. But the problem that we have in the church as young people is that we are no longer the salt of the earth. But the world is now changing us. We have taken the world and we have come with the world into the church.
You can get into debt as long as you have a payment plan that you will stick to faithfully. And the thing that you are getting from that loan will bring you good returns.
The devil specializes in making us busy. You know, there are two things. There's people who are into business, which brings profit. Then there are people who are into busyness, which is just being busy but nothing is coming back from you. We call for a prayer. You are busy. You say you are working all the time. Where is the money? We are not seeing it.
To the one, give me power every hour.
Okay.
No more camera photo pictures, please. We're shy. We're shy.
Yo, what it is? Coolest rapper ever. We here.
Feel like pop, shoot a shot. I'm coming in.
I got it so far. Outside is easy. Okay. It's the alpha, the omega, the beginning, and the end.
Everything starts in the spirit. Ephesians chapter 1 verse 3, the Bible says, blessed be the God and Father of our Lord Jesus Christ, who has blessed us with every spiritual blessing in heavenly places.
Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing something different. As you can see, we're not in our usual setup. I want y'all to just see what we're going to do. So today we're going to be doing a deep conditioning wash. Okay, so I'm just going to, can you see, it's a bit on
5% zinc is in the
bit. So you can get this really cheap on these things. By the way, it's not sponsored, but it kind of should be. That's okay. And then we're just going to try that. And then, guys, I'm really tired, but I'm doing this for you guys because you just know my life.
Anyways, for the deep condition, we want to just leave it in, and then we're going to go eat dinner as it's being soaked.
Just ignore the fact that her hair has braids. You can do it with and without braids. And yeah, guys, so thanks for watching another video.
I'm also very bougie, and
I went up to the front, I went down on my knees and literally just bawled out in tears. And to me, that is my first time properly, like, emotionally crying in about 5 years. And I thought to myself, this is not me crying because of what I did, but because I know that I'm loved.
You were strangers to the covenant and the promises of God, having no hope and without God in this world. But verse 18, now in Christ Jesus, now in the kingdom of the Son, you who were afar off have been brought near by the Jesus Christ redeemed us. You have redeemed us. To God. By your blood.
Out of every tribe.
Wait.
No, this isn't a plug. This isn't a.
Hey, como você anda? Hey, como
You get me? Prolific like Ronaldo, you get me?
But to score from the spot, you gotta find it, you get me? Be happy. That's because you save that now. Oh, what are you recording me?
Hi guys, I'm home. It's now Monday night. I came home at about 4 a.m. last night and I slept pretty much the whole day. So yeah, I'm finally now alive. I'm gonna start unpacking and get back to life as normal. I hope you guys have liked this video. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts on your video and what type of conferences you guys have, if your conferences are as lit as ours. We have a conference every single year, so if you want to come or if you're interested in coming next year, I'll definitely share around and stuff. It's always in July. So make sure to like, make sure to turn your notification bell on so you don't miss a video every time it's posted. I'll see you again on Friday. Love you guys so much. Mwah.